Once upon a time, nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling lake, there was a small village. The village was known for its lush greenery and vibrant flowers, but no garden was more renowned than that of an old man named Haru. His garden was a paradise filled with beautiful flowers, lush vegetables and fruits that tasted sweeter than honey. Villagers from far and wide came to marvel at its beauty and to seek Haru's advice. They would ask him, "What is the secret of your thriving plants, Haru?" And each time he would simply smile and reply, "Patience, my friends, patience." One day a young boy named Ravi came to Haru's garden. He, too, wanted a garden like Haru's, but his plants were struggling. No matter what he did, they just wouldn't grow. Frustrated, he asked Haru, "Oh, wise man, I've planted seeds and watered them every day, but my garden is bare. What am I doing wrong?" Haru chuckled softly and said, "Come, let us walk in my garden." Ravi, puzzled but eager to learn, followed Haru to a small, unremarkable patch of soil. "Do you see this, Ravi?" he asked. The boy frowned. "It's just dirt." "Ah, but beneath it, seeds are stirring," Haru said. "They need time to break their shells, stretch their roots, and reach for the sun. If you dig them up now, you will only harm them." Ravi looked at the ground, then back at Haru. "But waiting is hard," he whispered. Haru placed a hand on the boy's shoulder. "Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. A seed grows in silence, but that doesn't mean nothing is happening." Taking the old man's words to heart, Ravi decided to wait. Every day he would water his seeds and tend to his plants, but he resisted the urge to dig them up. Weeks turned into months, and one morning something miraculous happened. Tiny green sprouts peeked through the soil. Over the next few months, they grew into strong, healthy plants, just as Haru had promised. Flowers bloomed in a riot of colors. Vegetables grew large and juicy, and the fruits tasted like sweet nectar. From then on, whenever villagers saw Ravi's bountiful garden, they would ask him the secret, and he, in turn, would smile and repeat Haru's wisdom, "Be patient. The best things grow with time." So the lesson spread throughout the land, for true growth cannot be rushed. Patience is the soil in which all great things take root.